Hello everyone. Today I will address a very common but serious problem faced by foreign companies entering the Chinese market. Discovering that local manufacturers are producing and selling counterfeit goods using your brand and design. Let me be direct from the beginning. This is not just a business inconvenience. In China, IP protection is highly structured, but it is also formalistic. Your success depends on how early and how strategically you act. 1. Understanding the legal landscape in China. China provides multiple layers of protection for foreign companies under its legal system, including the trademark law, which protects registered brand names and logos, the patent law covering design patents and technical inventions, the anti-unfair competition law, which addresses misleading use of trade dress and business reputation, and, importantly, customs IP protection measures, which can block counterfeit exports at the border. However, there is a critical principle you must understand. China follows a first-to-file system for trademarks. If you did not register your trademark in China early, you may already be at a disadvantage, even if you use the brand first elsewhere. 2. Step 1. Secure your IP position immediately. If you discover counterfeits, the first question is, have you registered your rights in China? If not, we must act urgently. File trademarks in China immediately. Register relevant design patents for product appearance. Consider defensive registrations for similar marks to prevent further misuse. Without this foundation, enforcement becomes significantly more difficult. 3. Step 2. Evidence collection and market investigation. Before taking action, we must build a strong evidentiary chain. Purchase sample counterfeit goods. Document packaging, labels, and supply chains. Identify manufacturers, distributors, and online platforms. Conduct notarial purchases if necessary for litigation strength. In China, enforcement agencies and courts place high value on properly preserved evidence. 4. Step 3. Administrative enforcement, fast and practical. One of the most efficient tools in China is administrative action through the Administration for Market Regulation, AMR. We can file a complaint requesting on-site raid and seizure of counterfeit goods, fines against manufacturers, shutdown of production facilities in serious cases. This route is often faster than court litigation and can quickly disrupt infringing operations. Step 4. Online and platform takedowns. Many counterfeit sales occur through e-commerce platforms. In this case, we submit takedown requests to platforms such as evidence-based IP infringement complaints, trademark and design patent certificates, authorization documents confirming ownership. Platforms in China are legally required to respond promptly and remove infringing listings once infringement is verified. 6. Step 5. Customs protection. Blocking export channels. If counterfeit goods are being exported, we can record your IP with Chinese customs. Once registered, customs can detain suspicious shipments. You may be notified of potential infringement in real time. Export of counterfeit goods can be effectively blocked. This is a highly strategic tool for international brand owners. 7. Step 6. Civil litigation and criminal liability. If the infringement is large-scale or persistent, we escalate to court. Civil lawsuits can seek injunctions to stop production and sales. Monetary damages, destruction of infringing goods and equipment. In serious cases, especially when the counterfeit value exceeds criminal thresholds, Chinese authorities may initiate criminal prosecution, leading to fines and imprisonment. 8. Strategic consideration. Enforcement versus settlement. In practice, not every case should go to full litigation. We often evaluate whether the infringer can become a licensed manufacturer, whether settlement and licensing generate commercial value, whether enforcement will deter broader market infringement. A smart IP strategy is not only about punishment, but also about controlling the ecosystem. To summarize, when foreign companies discover counterfeit products in China, the key is not panic, it is structured action. First, secure your IP rights. Second, build solid evidence. Third, combine administrative raids, platform takedowns, customs enforcement, and litigation when necessary. China's legal system is increasingly robust in IP protection, but it rewards those who act quickly and strategically.